Damn, Vineet, he really did do a lot.
How much, bro?
I feel like we are locked and loaded, bro, right now.
Fuck, bro. This is fucking some magic.
What's up, people of the internet? Welcome back to another new video. I am John Diart and I make stupid shit. And if you're new here, please subscribe.
Please.
Blast that subscribe button.
Play with that subscribe button.
And join the clan. Today is a very beautiful night.
Yes, sir.
Because finally, after doing a lot of hard work, me and Vineet have finally secured a collaboration with California Burrito.
Pothole, bro.
We are gonna go and loot their store.
Yes,
We are
sir.
gonna have in like some time. No, this whole car will be filled with CB.
Hey, John, she recognized you, bro. She recognized you, bro.
Yeah.
Aren't you like John?
Yeah.
A big fan of you, trust me.
Thank you. 1 second. I'm so sorry.
You can't talk, no way. Leave, bro.
Yeah. Bro, ask her to come front or something. I can't leave a fan of that, bro.
I mean, there's no way here, no, bro.
Bro, who is that, bro?
I don't know, bro. She just recognized randomly.
She ran off, huh?
I guess so.
How do you like John? I can't mock my fans like that, Vineet.
Oh,
Sorry for the road distraction. That's what, as I was saying, in a few moments my car will be filled with CB boxes and burritos. Bro, you know, if you eat more than 3 burritos, you'll die. Hey, no, bro. You'll die with the flavor, bro. Like, it'll be so nice. One more beautiful thing is, I'm back to vlogging. I've been very consistent, guys. I recorded a vlog in the morning. Now I'm recording a vlog in the night. Tomorrow I'll record a vlog again. Life is so fun. Also, guys, whoever is watching my YouTube channel, you can go follow me on my Instagram. I do a bunch of shit there also. So please, guys, Alunu Ogi. Full party madi. I'm not going to be talking a bunch of motivation stuff because as you would have watched in my previous vlog, the link will come somewhere here, that I do talk about stuff. I do roast stuff. I eat stuff. It's just a lifestyle channel, bro. Like, you know, it's not like one niche. It's crazy here. We are on our way to the store to go pick all our orders. It's gonna be fancy, bro. We're gonna be vlogging there also, so not just in the car, free-handed vlogging also. This is just to give, like, you know, fancy introduction. Bro, I'm seeing these one people, bro, on YouTube.
Yeah.
They're like 3 twins, okay?
Yeah.
You would have also seen their reel.
3, okay.
They'll be in the car. Have you not got their reel?
No, bro.
I'll send it to you.
3 twins?
Yeah, 3 twins, bro. Triplets.
Okay.
3 same people, okay? They're all like 21.
Okay.
Like, they just turned 21, I guess.
Okay.
Bro, they just sit in the car and yap and they get 8 lakh, 10 lakh, 12 lakh views.
Oh.
That's all.
Crazy.
So I was thinking, who is the biggest fucking rant roaster in Bangalore, bro?
Exactly.
We.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, bro, the way we roast, no. People forget what is barbecue, bro. The plan is simple, guys. I'm just gonna make a very roast-worthy and laugh-worthy reel and eat the burrito. That's all. Simple. That's why I'm wearing orange today. Have you ever seen me in orange?
Never.
Whosoever has been seeing me from a while, you guys know I just wear black and only black. I don't wear any other color. But today, since it's California Burrito Day, why not wear something bright?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
right, Vineet?
Yeah, 100%, bro.
Simply, we made 2 reels in the morning.
Yeah.
Now, simply, we're going. Vineet, we if you imagine, bro, we craved for this lifestyle a while ago.
Exactly.
If you remember, Vineet, you should get up. You should only do content, bro.
Content,
Like,
yeah.
morning content, evening content, then edit everything and sleep off.
Yeah.
Bro, life is so lifing right now, bro. Honestly.
Yeah, bro.
See, Life Care Medicals. Bro, this signal did it clock back, bro. From that
Yeah,
time it's
bro.
looping in 25:30. Alela polema, alela polema, alela polema, hey! Bro, can we make one together? 3, 2, 1, go. Alela polema, alela polema, alela polema, hey!
Green signal, bro.
Hey, look at that timing. Let's go.
Taukla kutingla pongla. Hey.
Ogro, yakro
Ogro,
lo.
bega, ogro.
Ogro, bega. Bro, this is one tune, no? You would have definitely heard two girls talk like this.
Yeah.
Come here.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Come, let's take a picture.
Oh my God.
Why are you acting like that?
No. Like a fucking ambulance, right?
Yeah. No. After that, hey, no. But it's okay, bro. I guess it would have been like that slant. But it's okay. It's a new angle. As long as my face and my voice is heard, I know you guys are entertained, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, that too new this thing, bro. They're not just don't go.
Yeah.
That too.
Oh yeah.
Come. What is that? No.
Oh yeah. Like that.
Okay.
Oh my God. Shut the fuck up.
Are you for real?
Yeah. Pretty sure they would have skipped this part, Prajan. People, what the fuck is wrong with these guys?
Alela polema, alela polema, alela polema. Hey! Bro, I feel like we should make it a thing in our vlogs. Every day we should tell, bro.
Alela
Polema, alela polema, alela polema. Hey! Bro, we need. Are you ready to begin, bro?
Ambulance.
God bless whoever is going inside the ambulance.
No, actually there won't be serious patients. Just to.
No, bro. You know what? What is a crazy? Where is he?
It's a fucking cop, bro.
Oh shit.
Not even a fucking ambulance.
Bro, if the speed is going, a dude would have stolen money, constructed a house, and died by now, bro. Alela polema, alela polema, alela polema. Hey! Bro, whenever they're tired, like IPL, beep, 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 like that, we'll be like, alela polema, alela polema, alela polema. Hey! Oh fuck, what is that sync, bro? I'm gonna put a separate reel only on that.
Yeah, bro.
I don't care if I get views or not. Anirudh, you killed it, but stupid song, bro. What did you? Why? Powerhouse was enough. What is this Alela Polema?
That was also.
Yeah, that was also
Bro,
nice.
one more song, one rap crazy. It's there, bro. Fucking, you have to listen. I mean, after the video, I guess. DISCO.
Bro, are you also that fucking ADHD suffering other chod, bro?
Yeah, bro. Hey.
Like, you know how it is, bro? It's like 1 thought, 2 thought, 3 thought, 4 thought, 5 thought, 6 thought, 7 thought, 8 thought, 9 thought. Pause. Distraction.
Yeah.
Again, 1 thought, 2 thought, 3 thought, 4 thought, 5 thought, 6 thought, 7 thought, 8 thought, 9 thought, 10 thought, 11 thought. Distraction.
Yeah.
Sleep.
Yeah. Hey!
Unwanted amount of caffeine. Again, 1 thought, 2 thought, 3 thought, 4 thought, 5 thought, 6 thought, 7 thought, 8 thought, 9 thought, 10 thought.
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure they would have skipped this part also.
Pakka, bro.
1, 2, 3 Bro, it's such a nice angle, bro. I hope the angle's good, bro. Poche.
Imagine all this while it's not recording. Bro.
It's recording. How much bits?
I'm just saying.
Yeah, imagine it didn't record.
Bro, but I feel sad
I'd
for
shit
that
my
fan,
pants.
bro.
Yeah. Did she recognize? What
Yeah,
did she
she's
do?
John. I'm a big fan.
No, not that even I heard. I
then-
have recording also.
Yeah.
How did you called me? I was driving and I was dying.
Bro, I saw. She's constantly she saw you, and she saw me. Oh yeah, this is John. She realized. Then I reduced the window.
She's like, ಈ ಚಪ್ಪರ್ ಈ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ?
Exactly. I mean, no.
Hey, what, bro?
Hey, no, bro. Bro, but we are the certified choppers, bro. We both are.
Hey, yeah, bro. A1 choppers, bro.
A1
What do you
choppers.
think? Life being a chopper is so chopper, bro. Like fucking
Exactly.
chopper only.
Chopper.
Get up, fucking, act fucking jobless. you know, try telling people that I'm doing some shit, make some reels, make some vlogs, edit and put, cry when they don't get views, go to your Chapri gang, chop around everywhere, and then come back and a little more chop around on the screen and then sleep.
Full chopper, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, John, I got
Bro,
scared,
more than him turning, you shouted and I got scared, bro. You told, hey, I got scared, not him. You wouldn't have even flinched over there. Bro, so I wanna ask a question to my viewers at this second and this minute. What are you guys doing?
Yeah.
Are you guys sleeping, eating, showering,
Fapping.
pooping? I don't know, maybe that also.
Honigan.
Are you in school, college, work, flight? Flight, you can't see the video.
Yeah, I can't.
Yeah, traveling, whatever, bro. Just comment down, you know, where are you and what are you doing? I'm gonna make this thing. I'm gonna make this a thing in my channel where I just keep asking you guys, where are you? What are you doing? Because you're my people, bro.
Yeah.
Like I respect every viewer. I know I'm not that big right now. I don't even get 1,000 views sometimes. I struggle to get 1,000 views on my YouTube.
Yeah.
But it's okay. One day, I might get more than that. I'm not gonna quit right now. And that will be a daily, you know, question to you guys saying, where are you? What are you doing right now? Bro, whenever hum comes, you should give sound effect, okay? We're approaching another hump right now. Left, huh?
Are you very familiar of the sound, bro?
Left.
Bro, John.
Huh?
This sound.
Oh, yeah. Temple Run.
Yeah.
Still recording, bro. Okay, guys, so right now me and Vineet have reached the mall. Now we're gonna go to California Burrito and grab our order.
Yeah.
So we'll be freehand vlogging when we get down. So give us 1 minute now, please. Till then, I'll be playing this. I'll cut it from there. Guys, we are officially in the mall and we're gonna be going to California Burrito. Bro, I've said this 1,000 times, bro. We are freaking in the mall, bro, and then now we're gonna just loot the whole store. We're gonna go now.
Yeah.
Bro, this mall is giving me traumatic experiences and all, bro. It's there, like, why is it still there?
Yeah.
So right now, guys, we're gonna fill the whole car here. We're gonna loot the damn store. Bro, can I talk to the manager? Yeah, you got a call saying I'll be coming. Yeah. So you guys are gonna meet me like that? Yeah. Cool. Saying that you know need some time. Bro, Vineet, if you remember, right after we finished the photo shoot, I had even uploaded a reel where I told about tote bag girlies. You remember? You know what I said there? I need to get a collaboration with these people, bro. And look at where we are sitting.
Exactly. I was the one who told, oh my god, don't do that.
Yeah, and now look at where we are sitting.
Crazy.
Okay, guys. So basically, it's our time to order right now. So what I'm thinking is, I'll order the whole store.
We have 100%.
Bro, when we order, what will we do, bro? We need to give away here, bro.
We'll carry it in the goon bags.
They'll hit us and go. Okay, bro. We'll do a surprise giveaway down to whoever we see after we finish the reel. You just give them, you want to eat, you eat.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Yeah, we can do that.
Urbano burrito. We'll take 4.
Yeah.
We'll take what? 4 soft tacos. Burrito. The actual burrito. We'll take 4. These sweet stuff. I'm not eating that, but you eat that. But we need to show that also. And then, yeah, bro, I guess we are good.
4, 3, 2. Good, bro. Totally, bro.
Yeah, my man is rapping it right now. And here we are getting our burritos wrapped by him. And then he's also helping us.
And he's our man. நல்லா போடுறப்பா தம்பி.
Whatever they're doing here on this section and the packing sections, all ass bitches. Damn, Vineet. He really did do a lot. Okay, Vinny, I feel like we are locked and loaded, bro, right now.
Fuck, bro, this is fucking some magic. So here, John is basically doing all the behind the scenes of the Rio. It's pretty, pretty clean and well maintained ad shoot. Bro, what are you up to, bro?
Huh?
What are you up to, bro?
I'm decorating the whole place.
Oh,
Because this ad is for Cali, bro.
Harry, bro.
Big kitchen, bro. Little bit big collab. Checking the angle.
Okay.
Guys, this is all the food we have. I mean, I'm just showing you 1, 2, 3 boxes. I have a lot of food. So we just wrapped up the reel. We can't show it on this vlog, otherwise my reach will die, or I just can't leave it. So yeah, bro. Actually, you can give one to that guy, bro. Poor, he would have eaten or not.
Yeah, bro. But,
So we are gonna, bro. We definitely can't eat this much food. So we're gonna give it to, whoever wants to eat, and it's pretty cold. So I feel like they can enjoy one burrito. Bro, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನೊಂದು ಕೊಲಾಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಕೊಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಬ್ರೋ ಓಕೆ ಬ್ರೋ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು We need look at where God has kept us, bro. As I was telling that time, we had just $40, bro. 20 you, 20 me. 10 you, 10 me. Now we come to a point where we're just handing out, food just like that. Bro, I'm happy with the whole reel, bro. I'm really happy. Thank you so much, bro.
Bro, thank you so much for inviting.
Bro, it's ours, bro. It's ours.
Fucking yeah.
भैया ये ले लो भैया ये ले लो खा लो अभी गर्म है ऐसा ही खा लो भैया थैंक यू So we are going to my friend's house right now, and we are still trying to, we'll still try our best to give it to people. I want to give it to all these watchmen and people who do night shifts, bro. They can eat some protein. The California burritos protein.
Yeah.
So whatever else is left, I'm gonna keep it in my friend's house. And tomorrow is apparently my friend's birthday, so we have food.
Yay! Let's
So
go.
we'll see you in my friend's house because my battery is dying. I forgot charger, bro. I'll get back to you guys. We have stacked everything in my friend's house. So guys, finally we are done with the collab, and we gave away two because we only spotted those many hardworking people there, but the rest are stored in my friend's friend's fridge. And tomorrow is actually today was my friend's birthday, but we are going to celebrate tomorrow, so they are going to be digging that up, so that's also covered. It's not going for waste. But yes guys, we have come a really long way of collaborating with the one brand I used to eat a lot. I've lost weight also because of them. This whole collaboration and the whole vlog felt like a dream. It's truly unexpected, but I enjoyed. I had my time. I even ate well. I couldn't eat a lot, but I tried. And yes guys, that is it. I hope you guys like this vlog. There'll be many more vlogs like this. I'm trying my best to be consistent, and whosoever is watching for this last minute, thank you so much. Just don't forget to subscribe. Please keep supporting. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, peace.